David Mayhew's famous book, Congress, the Electoral Connection. The electoral connection is a very important thing, but it's not the only thing that drives the Congress. And one of the points of view that I've championed in direct disagreement with Mayhew is that one of the core elements of his theoretical argument is that members do not care about policy outcomes. They only care about taking positions, and they take positions to make themselves electorally secure. But outcomes don't matter at all to members. This was not the Congress I saw firsthand. When I worked on the Hill, the members of the Democratic Party in the House of Representatives were interested in changing the rules of the House, not so that they could posture and take political positions. They were deeply concerned about policy outcomes and wanted to produce different policy outcomes than the ones that the House of Representatives was producing because of the way it was organized. And this was a group of liberal Democrats who wanted to achieve liberal policy outcomes, and they changed the face of Congress so that they could do that. And I think that point of view has just become more and more and more relevant over the years. One of the driving forces of the polarization in American politics, in American political institutions, is, I believe, precisely the fact that the elites who are coming in are both more concerned about policy outcomes than their predecessors and more extreme in their views on policy outcomes than their predecessors.